Good morning, everyone. My name is Ara Gupta and I study in class 8. Today, I am going to tell you about Judiciary of India. Judiciary is the system of courts that interprets and applies law. It's a crucial part of our democratic system, ensuring fairness and upholding the constitution. The structure of Indian judiciary is hierarchical, with the Supreme Court at the top, followed by the High Court in each state and District Court and Lower Court at the below. Now, the Supreme Court. Supreme Court is led by the Chief Justice of India, who is appointed by the President. The As of 2024, the number of other judges in a court is 33, and their appointment are made in the of consultation with the Chief Justice. For a person to be a judge in Supreme Court, certain qualifications should be followed by him or her. First, he or she should Indian. Second, he or she should have worked for as an advocate in a high court for at least 10 years, or he or she have worked as an judge in high court for at least 5 years, or he or she is an eminent jurist in the opinion of the president. Now, the Supreme Court judge serves until the age of 65. He can be removed by the process of impeachment by a two-third majority in the parliament, and it is only possible when the judge is guilty of misconduct. Second, we have High Court. High Court is the top judicial authority in each state, positioned below the Supreme Court. Each state has its own High Court, but some have jurisdiction over two or more than two states. For example, Guwahati High Court has jurisdiction over seven northeast states. Now, for a person to be a judge in High Court, he must follow the certain qualifications. First, he or she must be a citizen of India. Second, he or she must have held a judicial office in India for at least 10 years, or he or she must have practiced as an advocate in High Court for at least 10 years. Now, term. A High Court judge serves until the age of 62. He or she can be removed by the process of impeachment. Now we have district or session court. District court functions under each state's high court and handle major civil and criminal cases with the district judge or session judge at the top level. Lower courts with municip and session judge deal with the minor cases. Now I hope that you all of you understood that what is the judicial system in India. Thank you.